Good morning. It is Maureen from Keepscoy Haven. And it is very cold out. It is real feel 4 degrees, so I would say it's probably about minus 12 or 14 Celsius maybe, but yeah, real feel 4 degrees. And yeah, it snowed all day yesterday, and we got a lot, but I don't think we got as much as they were saying we were going to get. They were telling us we were going to get over 2 feet of snow, 26 inches. When I look at the app for our town, it says 26 so far, and it's still snowing out. It's supposed to snow till around 8 o'clock tonight. I don't know maybe if that's the prediction for over the entire day today, but today is definitely not snowing down as steadily and as hard as yesterday, but still got quite a bit here. My husband's out plowing now. I'm gonna spin you around and show you a little bit here. I'm gonna shovel my path out to the shed in the koi pond so I can measure it. This is my walkway here, which these are the areas that we had right down to the, down to the pavers. Pretty high. And let's see out here. The camera will focus up to the seat of my Adirondack chair out there. I was out here this morning first thing, bare feet, trying to see if I could figure out how many inches were out here. I'll go start shoveling and I'll measure when I get out to that chair, because that chair was sitting right on the paver. Now the seat is buried. Okay, I got up to the chair that was just sitting on the paver before this all started, and I would say, let's see the snow, where's my finger? Snow is right there. So I would say we have 18 inches. Snow is like right there. So 18 inches, not quite the 26 they were predicting. Yeah, the good thing about this, though, is they were right in predicting that the snow was going to be light and fluffy. It is super fluffy. I'm going to finish doing my shoveling out here, get around the corner, and I am interested to see how well the roof did that Pat and I did over the doorway of the shed. So I'll pick you up when I around the corner. Well, I got around enough that I can see, and it worked a treat. Kept that doorway from being all like it was last year. Last year, any snowstorm, I couldn't even get in. So this is wonderful. Yeah, very good. And I can hear the aerator going. I'll get all that snow off of there. Oh boy. I do see some ice on the top of the pond. I mean, we got down to minus 4 degrees overnight. It was cold. So that's Fahrenheit. But yeah, I'm going to finish up here and take a look at the pond, make sure that de-icer's still working in there, and get back to you then. Yeah, so got all the snow off here, and I opened a panel, so I do have some ice on the top here. Yeah, you're seeing the reflection of the roof, but yeah, you can see them down there. Oh, gosh, I just wish spring would get here. Just looking at everybody, I think I do see one casualty, which is surprising. Yeah, unfortunately that one does not look good. Oh, I'm gonna have to get good the net and check that out. Oh, poor babies. But the others all seem to be doing okay. That 4-step Kahako is beautiful. There's Pat's little Jack. Still has the little line on his nose. That's what we were hoping he didn't lose. Or she, we don't know. But, so, I'm just gonna watch I'm gonna stay out here and watch the fish for a little while, and I don't know, I have another aerator. I probably could stick another one in that corner there. Well, I went to net it and the thing just uprighted and swam away. So I'm not gonna do anything. Maybe that's how that one rests in torpor, I don't know. But I'm trying to find it now. It was just swimming all around here. Everybody else, those sitting the way they should be, not laying on its side, but hopefully that'll be okay. It's a little goldfish. And it's one that's been like egg bound for many years. All right, well, I'll end this one and see if I'll do probably an update a little later on, see how much more snow we get, if any. I don't think we're supposed to get amount too much tonight. I mean, during the whole day today till it stops tonight around 8 o'clock. But oh, he must be done snow blowing, pushing it off. Oh, I gotta do this walkway too. Can't get down there with that Kubota, so I'll do that after this phone. This drives me crazy. Well, out here again, shoveling. It is about 4 o'clock Monday, and it is probably got maybe another couple inches, so I just want to keep up with it now because we're supposed to get real frigid temperatures overnight, so I don't want any of this to turn into a skating rink. So I'll get this done. Just finished doing another shovel, and remeasured my thing. I'm not touching this area here. If I throw snow, I'm throwing it over there or over here. So, and right now we are at 21 inches. It was 18 this morning at 10 when I was out here, and now it's 4 p.m. Whew. So just reshoveled again, and you can see snow is still coming down pretty steadily, so it's supposed to snow for about another 4 hours, so we'll probably get another inch or two out of it. I forgot to look at this morning. So right now it is about 18 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus, I don't know, I'd say maybe minus 8 Celsius. I'm just guessing, looking at that little thing there, but I just want to see what the actual inside pond air temp is, if I can, and clean this off again in here, and you can still see them. And let's see, I should have looked at this earlier when I had the panel off. It is, you probably can't see it clearly, but I can. It is 32 Fahrenheit, exactly 0 Celsius inside there. So that makes sense why I get some ice in there. It's set freezing. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is freezing. They're still okay though. And I did, before I recorded this, I spent a little time looking again, and I do not see, I don't know. I'm going to keep watching that goldfish and see if I see it. I just want to make sure something doesn't perish in here, and I'll just hope for the best. So that is going to wrap it up for today. I am done. I'm beat. Whew. Time to go in for a nice glass of wine. Catch my breath. I am going to be looking into a little cordless snow shovel. I'm going to take a ride tomorrow if I can dig my car out. We're so concerned about getting the driveway all set and everything, and never got over to my car. It looks like a little igloo. Well, once Pat and I get the grow-on pond started this spring, late spring, we'll be using up all my extra stuff. I have wood and insulation and other wood stuff that we've been keeping from building this pond and the shed and stuff. So I'll be able to get all that excess out of my way of my parking area in the garage and be able to park back in there again. But lights just came on. It's almost getting dark now here. I wish you all a good, happy Monday and hope everybody's well wherever you are in the part of the world. And if you're having snow, hopefully you're keeping warm and you're all shoveled out. So take care, everybody. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next video. Bye-bye. Good morning, it's Maureen from Keysquay Haven, and I was going to end the video yesterday, but we ended up with snow all during the night. They said it was supposed to end about 8 p.m. last night, but midnight it was still coming down. So I decided I'll just do another little quick update this morning and tack it on to my video I had from yesterday. So as you can hear, my husband's out snow blowing once again, and I'm going to let's see if you could see it. Shovel my path once again, get that done, and get my car out so I can go buy my little cordless battery operated snow shovel. See you in a bit. Hi, so I figured I would end this video in my koi shed. I'm watching that goldfish. I don't know what to do with it. It's on its side, but when I'm watching it, its eyes move, and then all of a sudden it'll get up and it'll swim around, and then it just settles back down on its side. So I don't want it to perish in there and contaminate water when I don't have filters going, but it is still alive. So I'm just gonna keep watching it and hope for the best. Hope it can't deal with this cold, and we are in for an Arctic blast. Today is Tuesday, January 27th, and we keep getting alerts about this Arctic blast that's coming in for about 7 to 10 days, where temperatures are in the single digits and in teens. So it's going to be very, very cold, which is not going to do my pond any good. I do have another de-icer, so I might stick that in on another corner. Just not that it's going to warm the water up any. I don't want that water getting any colder. The water is down to 32.7, so it's just a little above freezing right now. But so I'm just gonna hang out at my shed for a little while. I got my one of my new coffee mugs, and I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee out here and keep a watch on the pond out there. Got my window, I can look out onto the pond, so just gonna hang out here for a little while. So everybody take care and stay warm. We'll see you on the next one. Bye. One thing I forgot to mention was the total snow. So where it did snow throughout the night, kind of till around, I guess it was about 2 a.m. in the morning it stopped. And so after I shoveled, I did measure again. So our total snow from the storm that started on Sunday through this morning is 23 inches. I would say an average. Some areas I got like 32 inches because of the snow drift, but I would say it's 23 inches. So that's quite a bit. So we'll see how long this is going to hang around with all this cold air we're getting in. But that's all I wanted to say. Take care, everybody.